In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a file on Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular cloud storage service that allows you to store your files securely and share them easily with others. Whether it's a document, photo, video, or any other type of file, sharing via Google Drive is incredibly straightforward. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, you need to open Google Drive and sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one as it's essential for accessing Google Drive services. Once you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Google Drive interface. There's a lot you can do here, but today we're focusing on sharing files. Now, locate the file you want to share. This could be any file stored on your Google Drive, such as a document from Google Docs, a spreadsheet, a photo, or even a video. Once you've found the file, right-click on it. A menu will appear with various options. From this menu, select Get Link. You'll now see an option labeled General Access. This is where you decide who the file will be shared with and what kind of access they will have. You have two primary choices: restricted and anyone with the link. If you select restricted, only specific people you invite will be able to access the file. This is great for when you're working on confidential documents or sharing personal files with a limited number of people. To proceed with this option, you'll need to invite each person individually by email. On the other hand, if you choose anyone with the link, anyone who has the link will be able to access your file. This is particularly useful for more public sharing, like distributing a presentation or sharing photos from a public event. Once you've made your choice, you need to set the permission level by clicking the drop-down next to it. You have three options here: viewer, commenter, and editor. A viewer can only see the file without making any changes. This is ideal for when you want others to view or read your content. Selecting commenter allows the recipient to both see and comment on the file, which is often useful for collaborative work or feedback. If you choose editor, the person will have full editing capabilities, which is great if you're working closely with someone else on the same document. After setting the appropriate permissions, click Copy Link. This will copy the link to your clipboard, and you can then share it via email, chat, or any other means you prefer. Finally, click Done. That's all there is to it. Sharing files on Google Drive is efficient and versatile, allowing you to tailor access and permissions as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you'll feel confident next time you need to share a file on Google Drive.